There's lots to remember when you're packing for a holiday, but what should be on your checklist when it comes to travel insurance? Is insurance even necessary? If you are traveling in a country that's a member of the European Economic Area, that's the 28 countries of the European Union plus Iceland, Liechtenstein, Norway and Switzerland, a valid overseas medical expenses in all countries, though this will depend on the exact plan you have. Regardless, travel insurance is not just about medical bills and can protect you from costs incurred by delays, cancellations, theft and accidents, and with the protection potentially costing less than a coffee and a pre-packed sandwich. You should note, however, that the terms and conditions may require all of those covered to be traveling together at all times. Most providers also offer multi-trip cover, where a single fee is paid in return for a year's worth of travel insurance. This could give you a significant saving if you are expecting to travel a lot in the coming months, though if your overseas exploits are likely to be confined to 1 or 2 trips, it may be best to get your cover on a holiday-by-holiday basis. Another thing to bear in mind with multi-trip policies is that they often auto-renew, meaning you could be hit by another trips and you'll need to get special cover if that's what you're traveling to do. Those pesky T's will generally be obvious, for example countries in the midst of a war, but if in doubt check link https://www.dfa.ie/travel/advice/closing square bracket before traveling, assuming you're going to a generally safe country. The next thing to look for is your policy's excess. This works a bit differently than it would on a car or home policy, as it's applied separately across different parts of the policy. That means you could pay it multiple times if there are multiple aspects to your claim. So if your party of 4 is unfortunate enough to be mugged, stolen property x4, and you all suffer some minor injuries, hospital trip x4, in the process, that €50 excess could end up leaving you €400 out of pocket. Keep an eye out for words like exclusion and invalid too. As already mentioned, partaking in certain extreme sporting activities could invalidate your insurance. But even seemingly mundane activities, like cycling or hiking, may fall foul of your policy's terms and conditions. Not declaring a pre-existing condition will also cause problems for you if you need to claim, as will any other incorrect or incomplete information on your application. Meanwhile, your insurer might have the ultimate get-out clause hidden. And a general piece of advice, regardless of your policy or circumstances, to make a copy of all your travel documentation, including flight details, passport number and visa, as this will make it much easier to replace if lost or stolen. It's also best to email this to yourself rather than simply saving it on your phone, as there's no guarantee that that won't go missing on you as well.